Chapter 1, Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to our intermediate listening and speaking class. I'm so excited to be your lecturer this term. Today we'll go over our learning plan, also known as the RPS, so you know exactly what to expect this semester. This class is all about helping you speak and understand English more confidently. Whether you're using English at work, school, or in everyday life, we'll focus on practical skills that you can use right away. Let's get started. Chapter 2, Personal Story. You know, when I was first learning English, I remember how challenging it was to understand native speakers. They spoke so fast, and I often felt lost in conversations. But over time, I learned strategies to break down what I was hearing and respond more confidently. One of my students last semester started out very shy, but by the end of the term, she was giving presentations with so much confidence. It was amazing to see her growth, and I know you can achieve the same. Learning a language is a journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Chapter 3, What You Will Learn. Now let's talk about what you'll learn in this class. Here are the main goals. Listen better. We'll work on understanding different types of English, like lectures, conversations, and news reports. You'll learn how to pick out the main ideas and important details, even when people speak quickly. Speak more easily. We'll focus on fluency and accuracy. You'll learn new vocabulary and grammar to help you express yourself clearly and naturally. Talk confidently. We'll practice having smooth, polite conversations. You'll learn how to take turns speaking, ask questions, and share your ideas effectively. Understand different ways of talking. English is used differently in different situations. We'll explore formal and informal language, accents, and cultural differences. Use English in real life. By the end of the term, you'll feel more confident using English at work, school, or in social situations. Chapter 4, How We Will Learn. So how will we achieve these goals? Here's how we'll learn together. Talking together. We'll have lots of discussions and interactive lessons to practice new skills. Listening practice. You'll listen to a variety of materials, like podcasts, news clips, and interviews to improve your listening skills. Speaking practice. We'll do role plays, group discussions, and short presentations to build your confidence. Feedback. I'll give you personalized feedback, and you'll also learn from your classmates. Projects. We'll work on fun projects, like creating a podcast or acting out real-life scenarios to make learning more engaging. Chapter 5, Real-life examples and challenges. Let me give you some examples of how these skills will help you in real life. Imagine you're in a job interview. You'll need to understand the interviewer's questions and respond clearly and confidently. Or if you're watching a movie or listening to a podcast, you'll be able to follow along and even catch the jokes and subtle meanings. I know some of you might feel nervous about speaking or understanding fast speakers. That's completely normal. Many students struggle with this at first. But in this class, we'll practice breaking down sentences, focusing on key words, and building your confidence step by step. Chapter 6, Fun Activity or Icebreaker. Let's do a quick warm-up activity to get started. Turn to a partner, or if you're watching this alone, just say it out loud and introduce yourself. Share your name, where you're from, and one thing you're excited about in this class. Great job. This is just the beginning. We'll do lots of activities like this to make learning fun and interactive. Chapter 7, Closing and Motivation. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that every great English speaker started as a beginner. With practice and patience, you'll see amazing progress. I'm here to support you every step of the way. This semester is going to be fun, challenging, and rewarding. If you work hard and participate actively, you'll leave this class with stronger listening and speaking skills and more confidence in using English. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. I will see you. Let's begin.